E class OB equal to new E class. So this is extension object. Extension object means the object of your abstract class. Using that you can call it ob.m1, ob.m2. So point. So run it, answer will come. So this is demo for your abstract class. One program. Project name, application, abstract class under P1, A class dot Java under P1, E class dot Java under P2, demo abstract dot Java. This is one main class and this is one output. Right. Now, so this diagram I'll post in your notes to you. This is comparison diagram. So remember this diagram. First, you must remember all your alphabets. How many alphabets available in Java now? 7 alphabets. What are they now? Variables, methods, constructors, blocks, classes, interfaces, abstract classes. That only our course started. Core Java is about giving training on alphabets, giving training on concepts, giving training on features. Not only core Java. So directly or indirectly, today alphabets has been ended for you. So all alphabets, at least some idea came. So how you should remember your alphabets means practice before going to interview. Write on a paper like this, how I am writing variable, method, constructor. Daily I will write because who are really taken Java as a career domain, you should remember that alphabets names you should remember. Suppose you kept one Java resume. He's asking Java question. If you look up and down, meaningless, no? Already you kept in the resume as Java, I know. When he's asking a question, if you're looking here and there, you don't know Java, then why you kept Java here? So you cannot escape the question from Java because carrier domain. You kept it. Among that minimum alphabets, no? Minimum thing is alphabet. If you don't know constructor, they will not. If you don't know alphabet, what you can do? Alphabet's mandatory, no? Because we are concentrating on alphabet. The student should remember that alphabets. So we trainers, always we feed you. At least 2 days once also I'll read that always. I'll read it. Because students should remember that alphabets. What Venkatesh Maipathis are given means at least alphabet names you'll read it. If you are irregular to the class also, you'll read that names and you'll remember. At least these are available. You'll read it. So what I done from day one without your knowledge slowly, I took one class component. I'm keeping variable, method, constructor, block. Since last 3-4 classes, I took one interface, variable, method, no constructor, no block, newly concrete method, 8 feature that is. Here Java 8 feature Venkatesh Maipathi sir will not write after course has been completed. Java 8 features, Java 9 features I will not write. Because I'll write inside only. Wherever the requirement comes, there only notes will be there. In unit based 8 features will come. The related base only 8 features will come. If I say last what happened, strength will not be there. Already you are fed up already. So already seventh week it is running already. After 1 week, nobody will be there. That's a common psychology of a student. Student cycle, many days completed, you will not come. Whether said that phobia will come for him. So already this is seventh week, I think. Almost seventh week we are running. So because of this reason, wherever the unit is there only we keep. Here requirement came to keep 8 feature, I kept it. Understood this point? No? So remember interface. Abstract class can hold like class only. Variable, method, constructor, block. Here methods, two options. Abstract methods, concrete methods. This diagram I'll post here in your regular notes. Like this, whatever I written, I'll cover all. You don't worry. Till ending, if you travel with me, all will come. So this comparison diagram, I'll keep in your notes so that you can add it. Based on this comparison diagram, two questions you are expecting. What is the difference between class, abstract class? An interview question is there. Write it. FAQ. I'll post the diagram there. Who are maintaining notes, leave the page. If not, read it and remember it. So what is the difference between class and abstract class? Class and abstract class. First difference is class can hold only concrete methods. You write that point like this. Class can hold only concrete methods, but abstract methods, abstract classes can hold both concrete methods and abstract methods. Class can hold only concrete methods, but abstract classes can hold both concrete methods and abstract methods. Can hold both concrete methods and abstract. That only first difference, no? Right. What is the second one now? Class can be instantiated, means you can create object, but we cannot instantiate abstract class directly. Means what? Abstract class OB equal new abstract class error. Class can be instantiated. Class can be instantiated, but abstract class cannot be instantiated directly. Instantiated directly. Class can be instantiated, but abstract class cannot be instantiated directly. Now, here class and abstract class, here interface and abstract class, they'll ask. Both are not having object. What is the difference between them? One question is there. Make it FAQ. What is the difference between interface and abstract class? What is the difference between interface and abstract class? Interface and abstract class. Look here. The first difference here. Variable difference. The components in interface are public, but components in abstract class are default. Make a statement. Components in interface are public, but components in abstract class are default. Next, variables. Variables in interface. Variables in interface are automatically static and final. Variables in interface are automatically static and final. I written one program on Saturday, bank transaction. You understood? No? Louder I want. Why means same program. I given some time for it to write it. The reason, same program we are going to convert by this Saturday. Their class names will not be there. Withdraw deposit names are there. No, that names are going to be missed by this weekend. So when the names are not there, that is the 8th feature. Saturday written program is 1.6, means Java 6. That pattern is Java 6 pattern, and Java 8 pattern is going to come because I given the time to write that. All assignments I not written because in string chapter I'll write. That the hostler day scholar I'll write in this week because I'm leaving exceptional link. Sorry, I'm leaving your inheritance process going to count out. That solution I'll give it anyway. That program try to understand. Everybody should try to understand that program. Okay, right. Variables in interface are automatic. Why I remember means there I given what is it? Balance B is equal to new balance in interface. Balance B is a variable. That variable is automatically static, automatically final. So variables in interface are automatically static and final. But variables in abstract class are user defined or user choice. Here user choice means programmer choice. If you want to take static variable, you can take static. The choice is there for you. That's the meaning. So variables completed anyway. Next, what will be the difference? Sir, variables, okay. Methods both are supporting static and concrete. Sorry, both are supporting abstract and concrete. Leave it. See there. Interface cannot hold constructors and blocks. Make it. Interfaces cannot hold constructors and blocks but abstract classes can hold constructors and blocks Right. All of you understood up to here? Right. So this is about variable, method, constructor, blocks, classes, interfaces, abstract classes. Now comes multiple inheritance models using interfaces. We came to interfaces to see multiple inheritance only now, sir. What kind of models available in Java? That discussion I'm going to do. Can I make a discussion tomorrow? Right. Okay. So tomorrow's discussion is, I started interface chapter here. Before interface chapter, to perform multiple inheritance process in Java, we take the support of interfaces. Today interface completed now, sir. Let us show the models. Then we do conclusion of inheritance. We do single inheritance models we draw. Then multiple inheritance models using interfaces we draw. Then we go for next unit. Next unit is waiting. That is down. What is waiting now? Inner class. Say the name to me. Inner class. Very important. Y means see there. If you see that alphabets, variable came inside. Yes or no? Na? Louder. Method came inside. Constructor came inside. Block came inside. Now who should come inside now? Class. That only. The class will come inside. Interface will come inside. Abstract class will come inside. Then encapsulation ended. Encapsulation means bind together. English meaning, dictionary meaning, bind together. I am binding together from day one. So I'm going to bring that class inside, interface inside, abstract. That is the next journey. So tomorrow I'm going to introduce that. After concluding inheritance, single inheritance models, multiple inheritance models using interfaces, then inheritance concept will be ended. Then we go for inner classes. That's the pattern. Great. Assignment not available on inheritance, only one assignment, that is bank transaction model. One assignment solution you are waiting, that is Hostler Day Scholar. I'll write it. That will keep there. Then I given one I comparable, I think given. I given I comparable, greater, smaller, not given. Right. Somewhere I'll write it. So these two programs under that, then we are going for inner class. In inner classes only, again, 2-3 examples will come from there. Great. So take a break for today. Thank you very much for today.